everyone, my name is Ivana, owner of Hard Wax Solutions and national educator for the wax brand WAXNESS. In this video, we will be going over the proper treatment protocol for our new Dr. Bump 3-step intimate facial products. For this specific segment, we will demonstrate the step-by-step protocol for the Intimate Care Vajacial, which can be performed immediately after a wax service. In addition to the demonstration, we will also cover key ingredients in the products that make this a successful service in the treatment room. Let's get started. This concludes the Dr. Bump Intimate Vajacial Protocol. This popular service is a great treatment to help treat and eliminate ingrowns immediately following a wax service. Thank you so much for joining us, and stay tuned for more educational videos for your waxing practice. To purchase any of the products seen today, follow the links down below, and if you'd like to see more of our educational material, hit subscribe at the bottom of this video so you never miss new content.